Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24 and welcome to our daily market opening trade here on Friday, the 11th of May. So yesterday, bank holiday here in Germany, so no live trading from our side. However, we see even though the volume has been very low, we had a very volatile trading day in the DAX, 100 points down, 100 points up in the afternoon session, according or in regards to a strong Dow Jones yesterday as well. So good trading day overall, but please remind the very little volume here on that day. So let's switch to the M5 time frame here on the MetaTrader. So as always, we are going to trade the first market impulse at 9 a.m. So that's very important here. Currently it's 8:53. That means we do have around 6 or 7 minutes to go to place our orders, which is more than enough because you actually just need a couple of seconds to do that. Very simple stuff. And because of that, we have developed a tool. It's called the Swiss Box Helper, which you can see here on the right-hand side of my screen on the MetaTrader. By the way, if you are watching this via YouTube, you might want to switch to HD for better quality of this video. Okay, so I'd like to keep this range of yesterday's close here also in mind when I'm placing my box lines, which we are doing like this. So first we click on box lines, then we have a green pending order and the red pending order. The green obviously is a buy stop, the red one is a sell stop. So we are not deciding whether the market will go up in the first couple of minutes or it will go down. We just let ourselves stop into the trade. Very easy stuff. So the sell pending order, today I'm not going to place on this line, but I'm also considering, as I just said, this range on evenings trade as well. So something around this. So that means when the price breaks down across this line, we will get into the trade, same on the top side. My size is calculated automatically by the Swiss Box Helper, considering my balance, considering the distance between both pending orders, which for the DAX, it's usually 15 points. And our target is 0.1%. So both parameters are adjustable. However, so we've been doing this kind of trading for over 2 years now, and these are our selected numbers. So that's done, and we are finally going to activate the box, which has now become sort of grayish, and we just wait for another 5 minutes or 4.5 minutes for the market impulse. So now again with my microphone on, we are in our first trade. Here's the blue line. We just missed our take profit by a couple points still in the trade, so no worries, all good. So you can close out that trade anytime you like by clicking here on the purple button, close all. But I mean, that's not really a strategy, is it? So we want to stick to the trade or stick with our trade as long as it has reached the blue line, the take profit, which is at a price level of 13,030 points. So 5 minutes past 9, still in the trade, still in the first trade. Now we see a second push. Not strong enough. Come on, 3 more points to get us out of this trade. So we are looking at our consecutive winning trade with a DAX market opening, number 392. Again, 392, I haven't seen this anywhere else on the internet. If you do, please let us know. But as far as I know, this is a only live market opening trade where you have a consistent track record and not just any PDF or Excel file. So looking here for the final push, 2 more points. Oh, come on. So 17 minutes past 9, still in the first trade. Very quiet market indeed. But no worries, sooner or later the push or the impulse has to come. So now again, DAX is trying to break through. 22 minutes past 9, and we really need to have a proper push to get us out of this trade, it looks like. But to be honest, does it really matter if you're out of the trade after 1 minute or after half an hour, as long as we get the profit, right? So our next try, 34 minutes past 9. And yeah, I gotta say, there was much more action going on in the DAX during the bank holiday yesterday as today. Bit odd. But when you keep in mind that we do have a average daily range in the DAX of approximately 100 to 120 points over the last couple months, again, sooner or later, you will see that it pulls, that push into one direction, and just a matter of time to be patient. So DAX at 13,009 points. Very unfortunately, we missed the take profit here on the top side, and now it's looking like a change of direction. However, we are still in the first trade. The reason for that is that I decided to put my sell pending order not on the opening range of the first hour, just like here, but I've taken into consideration the movement in the evening's market. Now we are in the second trade. The blue line has jumped. So our take profit is now at approximately 13,000 points flat. So as always, our first trade long is still active. and we have opened a second trade. Second trade is also active, and it's done with a different volume size. Yeah. So currently 2 trades are open here. Okay. Let's see if we get a new low. So close to the big number, 13,000. And come on. By the way, it's trade number 393. Consecutive winning trade with a DAX open, with a DAX market opening. If we get out of this trade, of course. And that's it. Congratulations to myself, to the DAX, and to everyone who's been following our market opening strategy here in our live trading room. So, sound like a broken record, but hopefully we are going to have our website translated into English language over the next 4 weeks. And then if there are guys of you who are or ladies, of course, interested in joining us in our daily live trading room with English commentary, you're more than welcome to get a guest access to that. So tune in, stay in touch with us, and yeah, I'll see you on Monday morning for another market opening trade. To everybody out there, have a great weekend and see you soon. Bye bye.